Hi and welcome everybody to Off the Ramp, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at Proco just to familiarize ourselves with its user interface. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we are just going to go to the main menu and navigate over to Proco here and click on it, and it will take us to Proco. Proco is our project management tool Off the Ramp you can use basically to help manage your production and your team in Office as well on the productions, as well as for TCC. You can also use it to collaborate with other users on Off the Ramp. So this first page here is your dashboard, and it will give you a nice overview of your projects and tasks that are overdue as well, or that are currently pending and in progress as well. What you'll see on your left hand side here is just your main bar, where if you click over here you'll go onto your home, and over here is your search, so you can search through your projects and your tasks, and then this will take you through to your profile on our Off the Ramp social page. And on your bottom right hand corner, just below our Jarvis chat here, you'll see a plus sign where you can create pretty much anything of your new project, a new task, a new team, a new file, or you can simply log out over there. So let us go to the projects page just to also see this is basically where you would have all the projects that you are assigned to, or the ones that you have created. You will see them all here in their category colors. You'll not be able to see anybody else's projects, only the projects that are assigned to you, and that goes along with everything else as well. And on the tasks page here, when you click on tasks, it will take you to the tasks page, so you can see all the tasks that you want to, and you can filter exactly what tasks you want to see, your tasks, or the tasks that you are assigned to along with other teams as well, and nobody else as well. So you can also sort them by date, or you can sort them by projects, specific projects, or anything else that's above here as well. Over here is basically your mass selection, so you can actually do a mass deletion of any projects that you'd like to delete. Maybe there's ones that you've archived, and you can view them there and then select which ones you want to delete, and delete those ones as well. Then when you go to milestones, you can actually see all the milestones that you have created, or milestones that are assigned to you as well. And these milestones also work with the tasks that you have as well. So you will assign a milestone to a task to know exactly which task you need to complete in order to reach that milestone as well. And we will show you in depth, along with everything else that we've done through here, how exactly you create those. This is just showing you around Proco. And then over here is your calendar page. When you click on calendar, over here simply you will be shown basically all the tasks that you have currently and in the future that are coming up, and they'll be in the actual category color along with the title and the description, and of course we will show you what it looks like when we show you how the calendar actually works, and you can move them around as well. So we'll show you exactly how you can do that and access basically your tasks from here as well. So very, very nice function there, and of course you can filter them by a lot of things here using the filters at the top. And then on the reporting page, when you click on reporting, you can basically create a project report, which you can then download, or you can also email to yourself or your managers or your team as well, just to see the progress of that project. And then a very nice feature as well is you can create a custom chart just by clicking this over here and creating specific properties just to measure as well. So very nice tool just to make your own custom charts there. And then on the settings page here, when you click on settings, really just a place where you can actually edit your profile. Simply add your description, name, different pic if you want to add that, your email address. I wouldn't say change that there, but change it rather in your profile, and then just how you want to handle your notifications. If you want to receive task reminders, weekly updates, you can do that and just simply click save there. So if ever you want to exit off the ramp as well, as I mentioned, you can just click over there and it will take you to the home page, where you will have basically your main menu and back to the home page, so you can navigate the rest of the site. And yeah, that is a good show around of Proko, and I'll see you guys in the next video.